Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's make spicy and tasty brinjal masala. To make this, in a pan add oil, 2 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorn, cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, 4 red chilies, 4 spicy red chilies and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can add half cup of grated coconut and 1 chopped tomatoes. Saute it until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Add this mixture in the mixer jar and grind it into a coarse paste. In a pan, add oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves and chopped onions and saute the onions until it turns golden brown. Once the onions are nicely fried and turns golden brown, add the brinjal, turmeric powder and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and close the lid and cook the brinjals until it is nicely soft. Here the brinjal is soft and cooked well. Now you can add the grinded paste and give it a nice mix until the brinjal is coated well with the masala. Now you can add the tamarind pulp, salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Fry this masala nicely until you get a nice aroma out of it. Once the oil starts oozing out of the masala, you can add some jaggery. Jaggery enhances the taste of this gravy and keep frying the masala nicely until it gets nice and thick. Once the gravy is nice and thick and you see the oil oozing out of the gravy, you can off the flame and garnish it with coriander leaves. Here is super spicy and tasty brinjal masala ready to serve. It's a great combination with rice and roti. It tastes so good. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.